Hello everyone and welcome to this complete walkthrough of Gusto Payroll tutorial for beginners. If you're a small business owner or an HR manager looking for a way to streamline your payroll, benefits, and compliance without pulling your hair out, you've probably heard of Gusto. It is widely considered the gold standard for modern cloud-based payroll, but is it actually as easy as they say? So in this video, we'll be doing a deep dive walkthrough of the Gusto platform. So I'm gonna take you from the very first sign up screen all the way to running your first live payroll. We'll cover the account verification process, how to set up your dashboard, and look at the new automation features that can easily put your back office task on cruise control. And by the end of this video, you have a good hands-on experience of what you need to do as a beginner. Also, if you want to try out Gusto Payroll yourself, check out my link down below in the description. And if you use my link, you get a $100 gift card sent to you when you run your first payroll. Plus, it helps support the channel. So let's begin. Now, before we get to the dashboard, let's briefly take a walkthrough of the sign-up process because there are specific documents you want to have ready. Now, once you get to Gusto, all you need to do is to click on the Create Free Account or Create Free Account right here. It's pretty much the same. So once we click on it, we'll find this page where it says Create Your Free Account on Gusto. You could decide to use the sign up option with Google to make things easier, or of course, if you'd like to go through the manual sign up process, you can put in your first and last name, work email, company name, number of employees, and create a password, and then you can click on Create Account. To make things easier, however, we're going to be choosing sign up with Google. Now, after selecting Google as your sign-up method, you'll still need to put in your first name, last name, company name, number of employees, and your company phone number. So we're going to go ahead and do this and click on Create Account. Now, on the next page, you can see Check Your Email. You're going to click on Check Your Email app, or of course, you can open your email on another tab. And then right here, you can see how did you hear about us? Of course, you can click on the drop down and click on Google, then click on Submit. Now, of course, we open our email and we had the mail from Gusto, so we can click on Verify Your Email. And once you get here, you can choose to opt in or skip. We're going to click skip, but that's pretty much up to you. Now, once we look into this, it says who is your company planning to pay with Gusto, right? You have myself, employees in the US, non-US employees, contractors in the US. So you see you have some options here which must apply to you. So you need to choose the one that applies and click on continue. So we made two choices right here and we're going to go ahead and click on continue. Now this is the next page and you need to take note that you'll be going through some pages in order to set up your Gusto system, right? So it says here, how does your payment currently run payroll? You need to say what it does and then click on continue. So of course, if you're a beginner, this is what you might be choosing, but it's pretty much up to you. So go ahead and click on continue for the next one. And then you'll be asked if your company registered as an employer with the IRS. On this page, you'll need to answer if you have an accountant or a bookkeeper helping your business. Then on this page, you're going to need to state what industry you're in and what your company's website is. This is optional in case you don't have it, but this is important to help the AI insights to match with your industry. So we went ahead and said logistics, and it says it found industries that closely match our business. So we're going to go ahead and choose one of these options and then click continue. Then right here it says, does anyone in your company need to track hours worked or create hourly schedules? If you don't have this, you can say no or say yes if it applies. Then click continue. You will also be asked if your company wants to offer health benefits to your employees. On the next page, you're going to need to say if your company offers a 401k retirement plan to your employees. And right here it says, what's your desired first payday with Gusto? Go ahead and fill this out and click on continue. And as you can see, it's currently generating our profile and we're going to go to the next page where it says your recommended package. It has a Gusto plan, the Plus plan, and then of course you could decide to start with this package. Now on this stage of the setup, you're going to need to add another admin, some details on addresses, federal tax information, a bank account, and a payment schedule. All of these are the usual information you'll need to have as a company owner or if you're running your business. So go through all these stages in order to proceed. Now, of course, if you'd like to provide these details later, you can come over here and click on the Go Back button. Now, this is going to take you to your Gusto dashboard. However, you can see that there are certain things that are not yet done, which you'll need to do, such as adding your team members, sharing state tax details, signing necessary documents, verifying your bank account. Then Gusto will review your account, and then you can run your first Gusto payroll. So assuming you're done with that, you're going to click on Home, and this is going to be your dashboard. Now, one thing we like about Gusto is that it keeps things incredibly clean. On the left-hand side, you have your primary navigation menu. Now, this is your command center. You'll see tabs for People, Pay, Reports, Tax and Compliance, Time and Attendance, Benefits, Documents, and Money. Now, right here in the center of the dashboard, this is where they call the action items list. Now, this is my favorite features because it tells you exactly what needs your attention right now. As you can see tasks, and then you can see some information, and here you can see due today. You could also see add team members and confirm direct deposits speed. So this is great because it removes the guesswork so you don't forget a critical deadline right after you log on into your Gusto. Now, to add your first employee, head over to People, click on it, and here you can see under People, you can see Active, Onboarding, Offboarding, Dismissed, and Collaborators. You're going to find everyone right here. And of course, you could switch between tabs to find out who is in which category. Now, of course, in order to add a person, all you need to do is to come over to the left side and click on Add Person. There is a drop down here, Add from Template, Add a former employee, or Add multiple employees. So you can go ahead and click on Add Person and decide on this next page what type of person you're actually adding. Now, of course, you can see Add a Person, the basics, and this is the first step out of 4. If you click on the drop down, you're going to see that we're currently on the basics and then their role and compensation, then finally the finalized stage. Now you're going to put in their first name, their last name, preferred first name, then state the worker type, their country, their personal email. Now, of course, this is important because this is an email that we'll be using to sign into Gusto and receive their personal information. So once you're done with this, you can save and continue and complete the process of adding a new person. And now I would like to move to the main event, running a payroll. Now this is what you'll need to do most often. But before we get into the pay section, if you want to try Gusto Payroll yourself, check out the link down below in the description, and if you use the link, you get a $100 gift card sent to you when you run your first payroll. Plus, it helps the channel. And of course, we're finding a similar page which we ignored during the setup process. So if you ignored it, you'll be facing it once again. And so this is what we want to let you know. So you're going to need to click and continue to add payroll details. Now, Gusto helps you to track your payroll period automatically. You will see a screen showing the dates for the current cycle and a big Run Payroll button. Once you click on that, it will help you to run your payroll easily and smooth. Now, still under the Pay button, you can click on Expenses. Now here, your employees can submit expenses right here in Gusto. This helps you to manage expenses, manage reports on expenses, and see things clearer. It contributes to the transparency of everything happening in your business, so you will want to use this frequently. Then, of course, you go to Report, then you can see New Reports and Report History. Gusto is great at helping you visualize your data with payroll trends. So you can click on View Report after a while of running your business, and you'll see the necessary insights to help you in your business. Of course, once you scroll down, you can see your reports library, such as 1099 tax forms, bank transactions, custom report, federal tax documents, etc. And these help make things faster and easier without needing to break a sweat. Then, of course, you have Taxes and Compliance, where you get to set up your tax matters, your tax document, monitor your tax credits if there are any, and your business insurance. Now, for your employees, you can click on the time and attendance, and you can see some more details on that. For every business, you'll need to take note of the time off, time tracking, and scheduling. As you can see right here under time off, it says no one's requested time off just yet, right? So your employee can actually request for time off and you monitor the request and handle it right here. There is also time tracking if you're working on a business where time is essential or they're working on a schedule. And so you can see here action required. In order for us to track employees' time, we need to know when and how often they will get paid. So if you'd like to use this feature, you'll need to put in the necessary information. And then when it comes to scheduling for time and attendance, you can decide to use this option to plan and manage your team schedule in Gusto. The scheduling includes integrated availability and time off, uploading a schedule, mobile support, group scheduling, some personalization options where you get to add notes to shift with important information and reminders, and you can get to compare hours scheduled to time worked and run attendance reports to reduce overpayments and forecast more accurately. So Gusto is really great at managing employees and you're definitely going to love it. Then you have the benefits tab where you can open a solo 401k with zero plan fees for 3 months to start with. And then you have some recommendations for your company such as health benefits, solo 401k, commuter, and you can see more benefits right here. Then under documents and money, for documents, you can see the different documents which we discussed earlier, such as your employment eligibility form, tax withholding, direct deposit authorization, and you can come over here to add documents that are vital to your operations. Now this is under team and share, then of course you could look at templates. Now if you don't have any templates, you can decide to add a template to proceed. Now under the money tab, you have two options. You get the bill pay tab, and this is an easier way to pay your bills. It helps you to track, manage and pay bills and vendors with the flexibility to pay your way all within Gusto. And if you're a company that needs invoicing, you can have this feature. However, this is not available for all companies. As it says right here, invoicing is not available for your company at the moment. So if it is available for you, you can go ahead and enjoy this features. So as you can see, there are lots of features that we've been able to take you through on a walkthrough for you to know what you can have here on Gusto. We mentioned the benefits tab where you can browse health insurance plans directly in the portal. And now when you select those plans, the deductions automatically sync with the payroll. You don't have to manually calculate how much to withhold for medical or 401k. The system just does it. Then you also have the tax and compliance section as it tracks label law poster requirements and alerts you if minimum wage laws change in your specific state. Now for remote teams spread across different states, this is a lifesaver because tax laws change across state lines and Gusto handles the registration for you. In conclusion, if you're a small to mid-sized business or even a solo entrepreneur paying yourself as an S-Corp, then Gusto is definitely right for you. The interface is intuitive enough that you don't need an accounting degree to navigate it. But the backend is powerful enough to handle complex benefits, state taxes, and compliance automatically. While there are cheaper options out there for bare bones cutting checks, the value here comes from the time you save on onboarding, tax filings, and correcting errors. It's designed to let you focus on growing your business and not wrestling with spreadsheets. Also, if you want to try out Gusto Payroll yourself, you can check out my link down below in the description. If you use our link, you get a $100 gift card sent to you when you run your first payroll. Plus, it helps support the channel. So with all this, we'd say thanks for watching and all the best in your business.